Greetings to the people of Puerto Rico. So pleased to be with you here today. China fired, Puerto Rico hired. That's going to be the theme of what I'm going to talk a little bit about. Here at the White House, as the director of the Office of Trade and Manufacturing Policy, we're working really hard to bring back the good old days when Puerto Rico was a leader in pharmaceutical manufacturing around the world. You may remember what happened back in 1996. A fellow named Joe Biden and others voted to take away the tax preferences for Puerto Rico, and what happened after that was basically a slow, steady demise of the pharmaceutical sector. What we're actively trying to do is revive that. We had recently a company named Copan, where we've been able to get a contract for them for swabs down in Puerto Rico, but we meet with a lot of different kind of companies. We've been actively working to see if Congress can help restore some of those tax preferences for Puerto Rico. And of course, the president just recently gave $13 billion to finally reinvigorate the electric grid that got devastated by the hurricanes down there. So it's really important for this administration to rebuild the island. You have great resources there. I think something like half of your young folks have STEM education, science, technical training, engineering, and math, and that's a beautiful thing. That's a great asset. And of course, there's a lot of folks over in Florida and elsewhere in Pennsylvania that would love to come back to the island if there were opportunities available. So we're working really hard on that. So have a great conference. You got Rear Admiral Brown and Juan Caro in the audience today. They're tireless workers for Puerto Rico, and it's all good.